Alright, boys and girls, it's shiesty time. Either this was a replacement door because of that red right there. Speaking of which, a little bit of rust on the quarter, a little bit of rust right here. I think that was a replacement door because that side does not have it. So yeah. Time to start sanding it down, because who the hell wants to do body work in the dark? Put you right there, car's right there. Let me angle you down a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, we made it in the shop about 6 hours ago. Like, as far as we put this in the shop 6 hours ago. It's gonna be a little grainy. I'm sorry, I can't really do anything about it. It's not the best lighting situation. No, so you might be looking at me saying, hey Zach, I saw you sanding it out there and you did not look like this. Your hair did not have all of that in it. What's going on? Well, what happened is I wanted to see what this needed to look like before doing that side and showing y'all, because I'm not a bodywork guy. But also, I am committed. I told my boss that it'd be ready for Bondo tomorrow. And, yeah, no, today is technically tomorrow at this point. It is 3:23 in the morning. This side, I think it's the best it's gonna get. I still have to go and like hand sand some of this stuff where these corners are. But I mean, I kind of know what it's supposed to look like now. You're not gonna be able to really tell a difference just because it's like there's like a little yellow and then like a white. That's like primer. Yeah, no, so you're not gonna be able to really see what's going on. You're just gonna see the stuff falling off. But you may be like thinking to yourself, this kid's fucking crazy. And to that, I say yes. Because this car is not gonna fucking build itself. I'm a college student. I have a month until I have to go back to school. The race is in 90 days, well, 89 days. So yeah, I'm a little bit fucking crazy, but who wants it more in my opinion? Because right now, you know, I'm in the shop at 324, and I'm getting shit done. And yeah, I may be going a little delusional, you know, I might be singing music and listening to sad songs, but fuck it, we're balling. I'm about to start on that side, and you're gonna get to watch. So yeah. Oh. Keep in mind, guys, I could be doing this horribly. I'm not a body guy. This is the second car I've ever done the body of. The first car, I know we fucked it up miserably. That was the plan A. Hopefully I don't fuck this one miserably. I think I'm doing pretty good because I still have a few layers under here. Like, I don't know why this side, what happened to this side, but that side I only had the white, or the yellow, white primer. I think the yellow is just a white that's sun faded. So I only had the white and the primer. This side, I've already taken the yellow off, I have the white off, there's more yellow, which means that there's another layer of white under it, that is also the white. So it's yellow, white, primer, metal. So I have like 4 layers on this side. So this is the side I probably can't fuck up. But I'm not gonna say that because I'm really good at fucking shit up. I'm gonna go take a piss and get a new pad because this one's basically dead. Yeah. Quarters coming out nice. I've already hit this. I can't get this rubber off, so that's nice and fun. I've already hit all of this. So once we blow it off, this is gonna look real nice. I'm gonna tape off this black. I do want to spray this black. This is gonna get resprayed obviously, but this black I think is gonna stay black, and I just want to respray it because it's kind of fading old, so it's not gonna look as good no matter what you do. I mean, I'm sure you can make it look good, but I don't know. I'll talk to John about that. There's a few things that do concern me on this side. Like there's a decent amount of Bondo here. I know this door, I think was replaced, but if they replaced it, yeah, they replaced it, but they sprayed the inside of it. Because it's a red door right here. I don't know if y'all can even see what I'm pointing at. It's red right here. They sprayed the inside, which is actually kind of shocking. I would not have expected them to spray the inside. There's a trim piece right here that I took off. Y'all saw that. And it's red right here. And then there's Bondo here, which almost makes me think something or someone ran into this, crunched this in a little bit. I mean, obviously they sprayed the inside the door right here, so I think they took it to a body shop. I think the body shop said, okay, let me fix that, because this looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Like everything looks, as far as I can see, it looks pretty good on it. I'm sure my boss probably can see some stuff I can't, but yeah, no. Took it to the body shop, got this repaired, sprayed the door while they were at it, and yeah, but I'm gonna have him look at this area. I don't want to go too deep on this, so this is probably all right here is gonna stay just how it is, and I'm gonna focus more on this back half. and getting that done. So yeah, I'm gonna use the bathroom now. You know, I'm sure that respirator is like helping a lot with me prematurely catching lung cancer at the age of 30, but it is not like, I mean, I don't know what else to do because it's like still on my nose, on my face where the respirator should be protecting. I've tried tightening it to where I'm literally choking. Yeah, so that's cool, but we're balling. So, yep, we're gonna keep on going. Job ain't gonna finish itself. Ooh, it's nice and tight. I forgot to grab a pad. Ooh. Okay, so with it being resprayed twice, or once, it's making it really hard to deaid it the way I did the other one. Because I'm used to, if I see yellow, I gotta hit it harder. But up here, saw yellow, hit it harder. Now I'm at primer, same thing. Saw that yellow is expanding, stop, same thing here, same thing there. Almost anywhere that you see these gray marks is from me, other than right here where this edge is. It's just really bad edge. It's literally me just thinking, okay, yellow, hit it harder, and now I'm at primer. I will say though, this car did get hit a little bit harder than I thought. I thought most of the damage was right here, which would have been fine. And it still is fine. Because whoever did it did a great job. Like, I mean, at least from my point of view, I didn't know it was even hit. I just thought they got a new door to maybe, I don't know, their old one fell off or something. But there's also Bondo right here, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more right here, which really makes me think somebody just, right there, door came off, they had to pop this back out. I mean, it had to be early in the lifetime of the car, because I don't see anybody repairing this car even in 2000. So it would have to be like hit in the 90s or something like that. But yeah, no, I mean, there's way too much Bondo there for it to be something from factory. And there's way too much evidence, like this door being swapped, for this to not be some sort of hit. But I mean, that's fine. As y'all know, it's gonna be a rally car, so honestly, like, you know, might smack a fucking tree for all I know. So yeah, no. Main factor behind that is one of my AirPods died. It's also 4:15 in the morning. I came in at 1 o'clock yesterday. And I'm coming in at 1 o'clock today.